Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the steps to close your Axis Bank account online in 2025. With banking becoming increasingly digital, Axis Bank offers convenient ways to manage your account, including the option to close it from the comfort of your home. But before we begin, keep in mind that while Axis Bank aims to provide a seamless online experience, certain factors might affect the process. I'm getting my information from the Axis Bank website and other websites that review the app. Ensure you have a stable internet connection and that all your account details are readily available. Also, note that account closure policies and procedures can change, so it's always a good idea to double check the latest information on the Axis Bank website. I'm not responsible if the information is not up to date. If you want to know a step by step guide to close your Axis Bank account online, here's how. Before initiating the closure, make sure all pending transactions are cleared and your account balance is zero. Transfer any remaining funds to another account. Cancel or redirect any linked services such as EMIs, SIPs, or auto debit mandates to another account. Second, visit the official Axis Bank website or open the Axis mobile app. Log in using your customer ID and password. Once logged in, go to the Services or Requests section. Look for the option labeled Close Account or Close or Account Closure Request. If you have multiple accounts, select the one you wish to close, such as your savings account or salary account. You may be asked to provide a reason for closing the account. Confirm your contact details for further communication. Review all the information you've entered and submit the account closure request. Axis Bank will process your request and send a confirmation via email or SMS. A bank representative may contact you for additional verification in some cases. Once the account is closed, destroy any associated debit cards, cut them into 4 pieces, and unused check leaves to prevent misuse. If you're closing an Axis Bank salary account, the process is similar to closing a regular savings account. However, there are a few additional considerations, such as inform your employer, notify your HR or payroll department to stop crediting your salary to the Axis Bank account. Also, ensure you've availed of any benefits linked to the salary account as they may no longer be available after closure. And use the Axis Bank internet banking or mobile app to submit your closure request as outlined above. As of now, if the online method isn't working for you, you can still close your Axis Bank account offline. You can go ahead and visit the nearest branch, request an account closure form, and then fill out the form, then simply submit the form and documents. And lastly, the bank will provide you with an acknowledgement of your account closure request. Important tips, just like what I said earlier, keep records, check for minimum balance requirements, update linked accounts, and address negative balances. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.